Inglesparatuvida. Today I have some expressions, some colloquial expressions that are going to be very useful for you, especially if you want to sound like a native speaker. But before we start, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to your channel Inglesparatuvida. It's absolutely free. And don't forget to share this video with all the people who want to learn English. Every time that I'm here, I feel like in a tropical island. Alright, so let's start with the expressions. One advice, yes. Repeat the sentences at the same time as I do. In that way, you are going to practice them. Let's go to the first one. And our first expression is lucky you. Let's repeat. Lucky, lucky, lucky you, lucky you. What does it mean? For example, if somebody wins a prize, a trip to Europe, for example, so you can say, lucky you, to indicate that something positive happens to this person. Let's repeat. Lucky you, lucky you. Excellent. Let's go to number 2. Our second expression is it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, right? Let's suppose that you lend, I don't know, $10 to a friend and this person forgot to give you back the money. So you can say, it doesn't matter. You can give it to me tomorrow. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let's repeat. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Excellent. Our expression number 3 is what's going on? What's going on? It's very similar to what's happening. What happens? Let's repeat. What's going on? What's going on? Very good. So if you want to know what's happening there, you can say what's going on? What's going on? Expression 4. How's it going? How's it going? Let's suppose you haven't seen your friend for a while, a month or 2 or 3 weeks. So you can say, how's it going? How's it going? It means that you want to be aware of the things that your friend has been doing recently. How's it going? How's it going? Expression 5. Long time no see. Let's suppose that you haven't seen your aunt, your uncle, your boyfriend or girlfriend for a long time. So you can say, long time no see. Let's repeat. Long time, long time, long time no see. Long time no see. Expression 6. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? Right? Similar to the other examples, you don't know the activities of this person, so you can say, what have you been up to? What have you been up to? What have you been doing? Is the synonym, right? What have you been up to? Let's repeat. What? What? What have you? What have you? What have you been up to? What have you been up to? Very good. Our next expression, and this is number 7, you've gotta be kidding me. You've gotta be kidding me. Let's repeat. You've gotta be kidding me. You've gotta be kidding me. If you don't believe what this person is saying, so you think it's a joke, you've gotta be kidding me. You've gotta be kidding me. Right? Excellent. What about number 8? It's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. This expression refers, for example, if you are trying to give a piece of advice to somebody who feels like all the world fell apart, for example, because this girl broke up with her boyfriend or she lost her job. So you can say, this is not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. Let's repeat. It's not. It's not. It's not the end. It's not the end. It's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. All right. Number 9. I freaked out. I freaked out. It means that you feel surprised and at the same time you are a bit nervous about something. So you can say, I freaked out. Let's repeat. I freaked. I freaked. I freaked out. I freaked out. Very good. And our last example is, I'm sorry, I didn't catch you. I'm sorry, I didn't catch you. It means that you do not understand. right? Somebody saying something, perhaps it's a native speaker, so you don't understand anything, you can say, I'm sorry I didn't catch you. I'm sorry. Let's repeat. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't catch you. I'm sorry I didn't catch you. It means I don't get what you say, right? Okay, so one thing that I like to mention here is that you have to practice the sentences in context. In that way, you are going to succeed in learning them, and you are going to internalize these new colloquial expressions. I'm sure that this video is going to help you a lot, and one extra bonus that I offer for the people who is here at the end of the video is that if you want to practice these expressions personally with me, what about if you send me a voice message using WhatsApp? My telephone number will appear over here. Is +51 946 182 165. That's right. So you can send me a voice message and you can repeat the sentence. In that way, you are going to learn these expressions and you're going to have a person close to you, that's me, Gisela, your English teacher, to check your pronunciation. See you in our next class. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with all the people who want to learn English. Have a beautiful day. Bye!